going to share my future planning. After completing my BA LLB course, I will prep for judiciary examination, be like Bihar judiciary, Indian judiciary. That's I want to be a judicial magistrate. Uh,
Okay. Actually, brother, why I'm asking like deeply, because whatever you are talking about, I do not understand like judiciary means what, because I was commerce background, brother. So I don't have a more
Okay,
knowledge.
okay,
So can you
okay.
explain like what is that? What is that? Judiciary means what? Like any government sector, any officer, any like deputy, how to be called? What is that?
Yeah,
Can you?
yeah. It's a it's important branch of Indian government. There are three pillars of government: legislative, who make the law, and executive, who execute the law, and judiciary to interpret the laws.
Oh, I
Means,
see.
okay.
Okay, okay.
Means judges.
Judges.
Yeah,
If I
yeah,
talk about
yeah.
like
Judiciary.
judges, law, advocate,
Yeah,
yeah, related to
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
okay, oh, I
When
see.
when I completed my will complete my BLLB degree, I can be a lawyer and practice anywhere in the India. Okay.
That sounds great, man. Like you want to become a lawyer, like advocate. So
Yeah,
what kind of
yeah,
lawyer? Criminal and like we can say any investigation lawyer and what kind of, because there are many department over there.
yeah, 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 yeah.
What? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, criminal lawyer. I
Criminal
have
lawyer.
also
Okay,
choose my option criminal on criminology honors.
okay, that's nice. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
brother, when I was doing a study in my college time, so one subject was that like law subject. So over
yeah,
there, when my teacher was talking in front of a student, that moment they were talking about like section, too many section like 44, 43, something like. So how do you remember all section? If I talk about a lawyer, how do they remember all section like this? Punishment is like section 44 something, so how do they remember, how, can you tell me?
yeah. It was it is also difficult for me to remember at a time sections of any penal code as that's I Indian penal code and articles of constitution very difficulty to uh, remember, but practicing
Yeah,
it may help very well. So
because
remember.
like I visited many office in law department. Okay, so over there I saw on my eye like many books available, and if I talk about books, oh my god, in a category too many books available and very heavy like
Yeah,
500
yeah,
pages, 1000 pages, oh my god. So I was thinking like really a lot of people, they like who have become a lawyer, so are they reading all books? I was confusing. How can they read all books, man? It's not possible. Like if I talk about too many books they have in office. If I talk about who are become a lawyer, so they have too many books, and every book is like heavy book. You know,
yeah, yeah,
so
yeah,
it's very difficult. You know.
yeah. It is
Okay,
very
that's
difficult.
it. But I'm feeling so happy. Like at least you are first guy you talk about how to become a lawyer, like judges.
Okay,
That's great,
okay.
man. Keep going,
Yeah.
keep learning, and do hard work. Definitely, you will become a good lawyer. But it's very
Okay.
important, always remember that you want to become a lawyer. So you have to, like strong your word, strong your point, strong
Yeah.
your content. Like whenever we enter any court, so over there, law and judges they are debating each other. So that moment, if your voice is strong, then it's going to impress with the people. So always make a strong your words and your voice also. You know.
Tell me
Yeah.
what about you?
Okay, I'm going to
Okay.
talk about my story. Okay, my communication skill, and second thing in this day, I'm attending too many calls about regarding a job, but I'm not getting a proper call. Proper call means like someone ask about like, sir, you have to pay some amount, sir, you have to attend an interview. Not my town, it's out of
Oh,
station, out of town. So that's why reason I'm facing a little bit problem. And if I talk about my communication, English language, so English is very, very important in my field. So that's why I'm trying to improve my communication with you, with others. So this is my
okay.
short.
I am also a still learner. So I
Yeah,
am still
every
practicing with you.
brother, everyone learning in.
Yeah.
If I talk about any language, like suppose we are going to learn a Japanese language. So over there, we could not say like I'm a master on Japanese language. Definitely, we can say like we are learning a still. We are beginner in Japanese. So same thing English also.
Yeah.
English is very famous in the world because all people are prefer to English in this world. And English is so easy language, so easy. But I don't know why people
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
making too many like complicated, and they are feeling to like uncomfortable. And they are whenever we heard about English word, English sentence, English speech, we always afraid. Oh my God, English! Oh my God, English! How do I answer them? So that is our weakness point. That is our weakness point, brother. We do not think about communication. We can use our mother tongue and Hindi, English also. But
Yeah.
we that moment, if I talk about English environment, that moment we afraid. We always try to tell ourselves like, don't do that. Otherwise, if you do, they will try to kill you
Yeah.
because your
Yeah.
communication is not good. Even we do not think about like whoever is standing in front of me. So those people also like they are also Indian and they don't know proper English. They don't have also like good command for communication, but they can speak. But if I talk about whenever our terms, we always afraid. This is reality, brother. That's why region in Indian people, we can say in Indian people, whenever we get any opportunity, we always try to judge a people. We have a responsibility. Always we try to say like, you're speaking not good, your grammar is not good, you should learn
Yeah.
vocabulary, you should we are judging a people. So this is bad thing in my point of view. If I talk about this, is totally bad thing. I think we have to remove things. We do not think about like this is just language. If we try, if we help a people, definitely our India will grow. We will become a good people when we learn any new skill. But our mentality is like negativity, so we could not change our mentality. This is reality, brother. So anyway, like it's very complicated. If I talk about foreigner, brother, foreigner, they
Yeah.
don't feel to like grumpy. They do not feel to irritate. They do not feel to like uncomfortable. They make a too many mistake, but they don't care. They know that this is just language. Language means like just you are understanding my story, my content. So that's it. What is the matter? Why you are trying to make a debate long thing? Don't avoid, just end the story over there. Don't think about like you are speaking not good, your fluency is like weird, like that. This is just
Yeah.
language. But people do not understand. This is reality.
Yeah.
But if I tell you one thing, brother, in lockdown period, seriously, lots of students, lots of people started learning English language. This is plus
Yeah.
point, and definitely in future time, everyone prefer to English.
I am also one of them.
Yeah,
uh,
what I
yeah.
told you, everyone learning, you and me. I'm also, I also started that moment last year. But
Yeah.
if I talk about before lockdown, I wasn't speak a single word, man. So I
Uh,
think in lockdown period, I changed myself, man. I learned some skill. I learned some skill.
yeah.
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 So
That's showing your your
please tell me about
communication is good.
please tell me about
Uh,
more, like what's your passion, what's your hobby, and how do you improve your communication? What do you do about communication? Yeah.
okay. Uh, hobbies. Hobbies. I mean, uh, reading books and playing cricket and watching YouTube videos are my hobbies right now.
Oh, I see. That's great. So you're watching videos. Like what kind of video? Like podcasts, any series, any motivational, any like
Yeah,
what kind
yeah,
of?
motivational videos and English communication videos.
So do you recommend me like what kind of motivational? Because always always I curious about motivational videos. So please tell me some YouTube channel, and then I will subscribe. I will try to get some information from those people. So please tell me. Mhm.
Right now, I am not remembering
Okay, okay, no problem.
YouTube channel name.
So what about reading part? What about reading part? Because I have lack of reading skill. I have lack of reading skill. So I think you are interesting about reading. So could you give me some tips regarding reading, like how to make a interest and passion, how to read a proper story? Because when I open any books, okay, when I try to read a single page, so I feel to like irritated. I feel to like so we can say unhappy, because reading skill, it's like reading part is like so boring,
Yeah, yeah,
you know lots of people talk
yeah,
about it, so boring. So how to
yeah,
make a,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Uh, it happens. It always happens with us when you are not interested in reading that book. You get a bored yourself. You feel you feel getting bored yourself. So take a plan and make a daily routine and give a break when you are reading something. Means 40 to after 40 minutes you can take 5 to 10 minutes break. It makes you interesting in reading habitually. Okay, tell me something because when I talk and start to English, I I generally mm, my words my words are not coming in to my mind. How can I overcome at this problem?
Okay, so first thing, see, like your problem is like you could not able to deliver your content in your mount, like in any words, if I tell
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah,
So you should talk to yourself more. If possible, then talk to more. Talk to more means like you should, give a explanation yourself, like I'm how I'm looking, what's my hair, and what should I do today. If possible, then brother, you should try to talk to yourself like more than means like you have to become a chatterbox. Chatterbox like means you have to become a talkative person. Talk to, do you know talkative person? Like people try to talk more and more. They
yeah,
do read about the bush. So you have to become like that. You have to talk to beat about the bush. Don't care about your fluency, your word, your sentence. Don't care. Just start yourself. Like talk about your hobbies, not 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If possible, then talk about continuously, like whenever you get a free time. So that moment, just talk, just make a long conversation with yourself, because right now I'm sure that you don't have a partner. Am I right? So you can do one thing. You can talk to yourself in front of mirror. Mirror is going to help, bro. Just do it, okay? And if possible, then you're talking about I'm reading a book. This is my passion. So after reading, just give an explanation. What was topic? What was theory? What was actor? What was actress? What was character? Just try to remember your word, your story when you read. Okay, after reading part. So if you try to become a talkative person, definitely automatically you will get the idea, and automatically see right now what happened. We are not getting a proper fluency, proper word. We could not able to answer. But whatever we are consuming, we are listening our we can say any podcast, anything we are listening. So this thing always store in our mind. Definitely one day, like we will open up like our mind, and automatically we can speak. But it's very important, you have to polish yourself. Polish yourself means you have to work yourself, like more and more. If I tell you simple sentence, maybe you heard about simple. I'm going to give example simple way. if I tell you what's your name and what's your family background, what's your study, then definitely you will able to answer this thing, because thousand of time you practice, you elaborate yourself, like you give your introduction. So same thing, regular basis, if you try to give explanation more and more and more yourself,
Yeah.
automatically you will get the idea. Then afterward you will get like fluency, you will get a, like proper pronunciation, proper word, and how to fulfill a sentence, how to start a long conversation, how to understand, how to give a eye contact, body language, expression, everything you will get when you make a habit, when you become a like talkative person. you know before I told you, in here nothing rocket science, this is language, and definitely
Yeah.
it will take a time. It's long procedure, like maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year. I'm not going to tell like within a short, like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months you will be master. No, there is nothing like any tip, nothing. You have to
Yeah.
work yourself, you have to give a time, proper time, like maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, if possible then whole day, man. Then you will at least get the understand, at least realize your base, your high English level. Yeah, you know.
Okay.
So yeah, so
Yeah.
always, all if possible, then try to make a video call. Video calling, this is good way to interact with stranger. So you can help a lot. So just do it regular basis. Just do it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.